welcome to Watercolor by Scarlett Damen. That's me, of course. Today I am doing a giveaway. I'm very excited about this. I have been putting a lot of effort into finding really neat things in order to cover all the different things that a new or even intermediate or an advanced artist would need in order to put together a nice travel set or a small you know, assortment of items that you would need in order to make watercolor. So what I've come up with is I have a whole bunch of Vivian color sheets. I actually spent like 120 bucks on these. I ordered 10 and 2 were given to me as samples. I ordered 10 additionally, plus the one that I showed you a few days ago in a previous video where I did the review of them. So I have a lot, but I mean, I'm not giving them all away. I really like these guys. So there'll be 2 of these, the Vivian watercolor sheets, which are really great for in your pocket. This teeny tiny watercolor palette, which is so awesome. I have gotten a lot of questions about porcelain palettes and asking where I get them and how much they cost and whatnot. So this is pretty expensive. It's about $40 Canadian, 40 Canadian dollars. And it comes with the bottom. There's 12 little wells in there. And this is the top, and this piece is used for your palette. So you mix here, or you take your colors from there, and then you have your palette. And when you are done in the evening or whatnot, you just place the 2 pieces back together, and it's a lid. I think that this is absolutely awesome. I ordered 2, and I'm going to keep 1, and you'll see that in future videos. And the second one will go in this cute little box. Hand-glazed porcelain 12-well small mixing tray with cover. Additionally, I'm going to include pencils. Everybody needs pencils. It's really important that you learn or at least attempt to draw, because that is a fundamental skill if you're going to be an artist. You don't ever have to show anybody your drawings, but it's really helpful if you at least have the pencils, right? So I think that if we're doing a base kind of kit, we should have pencils. I'm also going to include my Winsor & Newton set. Now this is textured medium. What's the second one called? Iridescent medium, gum arabic, masking fluid, and there's some blue masking fluid at the end. Now the blue masking fluid I use, and it's going to be in this package too, I use this because it's blue so you guys can see it. And also when you work, it's nice to use masking fluid as blue so you can see it while you're working. But then there's also the white masking fluid, which is also nice if you don't care. I don't particularly care, but when I paint for you guys, it needs to be blue so you can see it. The gum arabic is very, very important. Now, all of these things I have tutorials on, and if you don't know what they are or you're not sure, I can always do another one. So let me know. I will also be including this book, the Complete Watercolors Notebook Essentials. Like if you're new to watercolor, this is the book for you. It really starts with the basics. It starts with the ABCs and walks through. So I highly recommend either participating in this giveaway, mind you, there will only be 1 winner, or going ahead and buying this book because it's really great. It's got lots of good information. And if you get the thicker version, if you see it online and there's 2 or 3, try to get the thicker one. It should cost around, well, $29.99 according to the back of the book, because it's a 2-in-1 book. And I've even ordered a few things and they're just not here yet, but I really wanted to get this video out to you guys to let you know that I'm doing a giveaway. This is about spring, so I'm kind of late because spring is like the 21st of March, right? And it's in April, or we're in April already. But that's okay. The ground's still frozen and spring is here and I'm super excited. And I'm hoping this giveaway will be like, yay, spring, and maybe spring will listen and we'll get some warm weather. And depending on where you are, you might have great weather. I can't wait to paint in the garden, and I can't wait to dig and play in the garden and take my goats outside because they live in the house at the moment and just generally have some fun. If you want to know how you can qualify for this giveaway, please read the description below. All the information will be in there. In order to participate in this giveaway, all I am asking is 2 simple things. 1, subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed to my channel, you will already be entered into the giveaway. If you're not, please subscribe. Now, I will be doing more of these. At the moment, I'm going to plan to do them every turn of the season, so 4 times a year. And if you are subscribed, even if you're not that active, if you are subscribed to my channel, you will automatically be entered into future draws. Let me know what it is you're struggling with and what it is specifically that you would like me to teach you. I'm going to take all of those ideas and I am going to put them together, figure out what people want to learn about, what where the problems are, and then I'm going to create my lessons going forward in 2018 to more specifically target those issues. So if you're telling me that you don't know how to use mask, or a mask frustrates you, or you have really hard time preserving the whites of your paper, or you don't understand how colors blend, or washes don't make sense. I mean, these are all very basic things, but they're very, very important. And if you don't understand these things, it becomes very complicated to build on top of them. So let me know where your problems are, and I will definitely tackle those questions and in upcoming and future videos. And also, if there's, you know, silly things or things you think are just ridiculous questions, you're like, that doesn't make any sense, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. Go ahead and ask those questions. And not just on this video, you guys can ask questions everywhere. It all comes to me on my phone. It doesn't make any difference where you post. I get it on my phone, and it all looks the same. So I just get a comment, you know, so-and-so made a comment, here's what the comment is. Now, obviously, I would love to tell you to be super active on my channel and like give me tons of thumbs up and give me lots of comments everywhere, but that's not going to make any difference. It would be great, and I will see your name, and the more times I see your name, the more times I will register and kind of connect who's who. That being said, I always appreciate comments, and I will either give you a heart, meaning that I definitely saw it and I agree and I love it and it's a great comment, thank you very, very much, or I will actually write something. And I really do try to write as much as possible. I look forward to seeing you guys in more videos, and I'm so, so happy that you are following me and that you're promoting me and that you are supporting and extremely friendly. I have so many friendly subscribers and viewers, and it just warms my heart. I come out every morning and I check my comments, and they're all so nice and friendly, and I just love that. It's really, really nice. So thank you to you guys for giving that to me, and I will see you in the next episode. Toodaloo!